Last week at Fruitville Elementary, the 3rd grade science class was divided into 2 groups to compare hand washing and sanitizer. One group was the hand sanitizer group and tested their hands before and after using hand sanitizer. And the other group was the hand washing group, and there was a station where they went and washed their hands and plates were touched before and after to compare what would grow on the hands before to what grows on the hands afterwards. Okay kids, so now I'm going to take you to our incubator and we're going to pull out those plates and see what the results were. Here is our clinical incubator, and as you can see from some of the different labels on our samples, we're looking for pathogens on patients. But we also put your project plates in our incubator so that we could look for bacteria. And the incubator is designed especially to grow bacteria. It keeps the temperature at 37 degrees Celsius, and it also has an increased amount of carbon dioxide to help the bacteria be able to breathe. So I'm going to go into the top shelf and pull out our first group. And this was from the hand washing group of plates, and then I'm going to pull out our second group from the sanitizer. So this was our first specimen testing hand sanitizer, and as you can see from the before plate, there was quite a bit of bacteria present. Most of this is all normal skin flora. We have some Bacillus species, which is the large spready organism, coag-negative staph, which are the small white organisms. And then as you can see afterwards, there was a significant reduction in bacteria, and we look like we might have a little bit of coag-negative staph up here and possibly some alpha streptococcus species, but for the most part the number of bacteria was significantly reduced. Okay, so here we have a specimen from the hand washing group that beforehand had an environmental organism present, and by environmental I mean something found in water and in the dirt, and it can be transferred to surfaces and on countertops and floors, and so that it wasn't part of their normal skin flora, and they were carrying it around after touching something in their environment. After they hand wash, that organism, which is this cloudy large organism, is clearly removed, and all that is left is their normal skin flora with the bacillus and the coag-negative staph. So it looks like it's a draw, and we did determine that germs are present on our hands at all times. Some of them are normal skin flora and live there, and some are just traveling and can cause disease. So we need to use whatever is available to us, either hand washing or hand sanitizer, to remove these germs and further prevent the spread of disease.